SuperMindz.
Hello and welcome back. Today, let's look into a fun science topic: physical and chemical changes. Physical changes. Physical changes are when a substance changes its appearance or form, but its basic nature stays the same. Let's look at some examples. Imagine you have a solid ice cube. When you put it outside in the warm sun, it starts to melt and turns into liquid water. Even though the ice has changed into liquid from solid, it's still water. Example 2. Take a piece of paper and tear it into smaller pieces. The paper is still paper, even though it's now in smaller parts. Its fundamental property as paper hasn't changed, it's just been rearranged. Chemical changes. Chemical changes occur when substances combine or break apart to form entirely new substances with different properties. If you leave a piece of iron outside when it can get wet, you might notice it starts to rust. Rust is a new substance formed when iron reacts with oxygen and water. The iron changed into completely different substance, rust, with different properties. Example 2. When you mix ingredients like flour, eggs, sugar, and baking powder together and bake them in the oven, a chemical reaction occurs. The mixture transforms into a cake, which has entirely different properties than its individual ingredients.
If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.